How to find your story repost on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your story repost on Amo app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo. Once you are here, click on your story. Now all you need to do is, like you see at the bottom, I have 0 friends viewed. You're gonna find a number instead of 0. Click on that. And here you have viewers. That's mean people who viewed your story. And here comments, people who comment on your story. And here you're gonna find reposts. And here you're gonna see people who reposted your story, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like.